as you can see, I put a little bit of a masking tape here. Ah. Could be some storms up ahead. It's not going to be easy. Okay, here we go. So let's start with the little background here. Let's gently. And today I'll be painting for you a landscape, a simple landscape here. This is a story of a father walking in the rain with his daughter here. And here, this is the land portion right here. Just kind of filling it in. There you go. Here, just another path right here. Again, I'm using an acrylic paint here. Just kind of doing it back and forth. And just kind of, let it flow right here like this. And you can just not have just one tree. I have another tree here. It's a wet on wet technique basically. Just kind of, and maybe one more tree here. Just kind of doing the same thing here. Just kind of right here, tree like that. From down and up like that. From down and up. This. Right here, start to blend this area as well with the red leaf portion. Yeah, so it transitions smoothly a little bit. Try to mix it, have a visual balance here, back and forth a little bit here. Just a little toothpick, as you can see. Love using that. So this is supposed to be a rainy day, so let's see how this goes and see how it's a rainy day in this landscape here. And let's do a little bit more texturizing here. The roots of the tree just coming down here, mixing it with these leaves the best I can right here. Okay, so even as it is, I think this is pretty good for a home decor piece. But I have another surprise, and as you can see, I put a little bit of a masking tape here. Something that I've, a little something, a father and a daughter. All right, and this is a little liner, size 0, and I'm just gonna paint the umbrella portion of it. There you go, like that. All right, so here what I've done is I've added more outline here. I'm pretty bad with people, so. And I'm gonna give a little bit of color here for the father. And I'm just gonna give him a little blue jacket. He's wearing a blue jacket here. Yeah. Trying to find their way home on this rainy afternoon. It's a rainy day here. And enjoying each other's company. There could be some storms up ahead. It's not going to be easy, but with her father by her side and always staying together and being each other's strength, I think they'll be able to weather the storm. So bear with me, the best that I can here. Okay, here we go. We're gonna unmask the left side of it like this. Alright, so here's my final finished piece on this rainy day. Father and his daughter under the umbrella on this rainy day. There's some more storms up ahead, but together, I think they're gonna be able to do just fine. I hope you were able to forget about your trouble while I was painting. Just kind of enjoy this story, this painting story I've come up with for you. And thank you so much. I hope to see you guys once again